Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing and checking out some cases from Poetic for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and these cases are also available for other devices like iPhones, Samsung's other devices, as well as like the Moto and stuff like that. So I will put their links down in the description to where you can check out some of the other ones and check out the Poetic shop on Amazon if you're interested in any of these cases. Like I said, so we will be checking these out for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this is the Poetic Spartan right here, and the Poetic Neon MagSafe case. Both of these do support MagSafe, which is very nice because I do have some MagSafe stands and stuff like that for my iPhone that I can also now use on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. Some like battery banks, chargers, stuff like that, a bunch of MagSafe accessories. So with true Poetic fashion, we do have the case here with the screen protector on it, and we also do have the frame right here that lets you go with no screen protector if you already have like a glass screen protector installed or anything like that. And you also have the accessories right here to clean off your screen before putting this one on. I do have a screen protector on my phone already, so we are going to use the screen protectorless one, so we don't double up. Oop, as I shoot it out of the plastic. All right, so there is the frame, and then here is the case right here. I really like the way this case feels in the hand. I've used this case before on other devices. They did make a change this time, which I'll show you here in a minute. So we're going to go ahead and take this one out, since we're not using the screen protector. Well, I mean, we have to take it off anyway to put the phone in, but we're going to take this one completely off. And we can set that off to the side if we want to use it later. But this case also has the little stand right here, so you can fold out the little camera ring and use that as a stand. It's also got a magnet on it, so it clips right back in there. And we've got my S24 Ultra here. I'm just going to take it out of this cheap eBay carbon fiber case. And again, S24 Ultra. We're going to put on the little ring right here, and then we're just going to slip it into the case like so. Just like that. Like I said, it's got the MagSafe right there. It is the full MagSafe, so you've got the round magnet right there and then your alignment ring right there. I picked up this one on eBay and it does not have that, so that is one downside with the cheaper cases. But Poetic was thinking about everything. They did put the alignment ring on there for your accessories, so they'll stay straight on there. Or if you're using a charger, you get your full charging speed because it will be aligned with the wireless charging area. And then we'll take a look here at the Poetic Neon. I'm actually going to use this case, so I'm not going to take it back off, but we'll show you guys the Neon here and what it looks like. This is just a back piece. It's not the screen protector as well, so there's no frame or anything with it. But I mean, it's a two-piece, but it doesn't have a screen protector. It's got the rubber insert, and then it's got the hard shell back. So you just take that out. It's easier to put the phone in if you take the hard shell part off. And again, with this one, it's got the little stand right here. Works the same way, clips on right there, has the Neon branding right there. Again, it is MagSafe. I do like the fact that the stand is here rather than some of the cases that have the MagSafe ring that moves, because it just looks, this kind of blends in. You can't really tell that that is a stand or a movable part until you actually move it, and then it just goes right back there. It adds a little camera protection when it is closed because it raises it up so your camera's not going to be hitting anything when you put your phone down. And it's got the little orange neon ring right there. So like I said, I will leave the link to these in the description, as well as you can check out the Poetic store and find any other devices you are looking for, iPhone, other Samsung devices, and they do have some Moto devices on there as well. So I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.